Imagine being part of a movement that inspires, uplifts, and fosters genuine healing in our lives. As we embark on this journey together, let's open our hearts to the possibilities that await us. We're here to embrace each step with compassion and understanding. Now, let's dive deeper. In the upcoming series, we'll touch on vital topics like the power of forgiveness. We'll explore first-hand stories of transformation, highlighting the miraculous ways faith has guided people through their darkest hours. And as we explore these stories, I invite you to reflect on your own experiences. Perhaps there's a moment when faith carried you through a trial or a time when encouragement ignited a spark of hope within you. Your story matters, and sharing it could inspire someone else to find their path to healing and restoration. Now, as we move forward, I encourage you to engage with us actively. Your thoughts, struggles, and triumphs are what shape this community. Remember, we're not just viewers or creators, we're allies in healing, supporting one another as we navigate this exciting journey together. Let's take a moment to think about the power of community. When we come together, we not only share our struggles but also our victories, creating a tapestry of hope that can guide others. Each of us carries a unique light, and it's in sharing our journeys that we can illuminate the way for those still searching for their path. Before we wrap up, I want to emphasize that healing is not a solo journey, it's a shared experience. We're here to nurture each other's growth and celebrate every step we take towards wholeness. Together, we will create a space that encourages honest conversations about our journeys. So take a moment to visualize your own healing process and think about the potential for transformation that lies ahead. What could your life look like when you embrace both faith and community in your healing journey? I invite you to subscribe to this channel, comment in the comment section and dream big. Hold on to that vision as we move forward. Remember, each video will serve as a stepping stone towards a greater understanding of ourselves and our purpose. You are not alone, and I can't wait to witness the incredible changes that will unfold for all of us in this vibrant community. Now that we've established our foundation, let's take a moment to look ahead. Each video will be a unique opportunity to deepen our understanding of holistic healing, offering tools and insights to empower us on this journey of faith and wellness. Stay tuned, as every episode will not only share knowledge but also provide actionable steps to help you incorporate these insights into your daily life. With each new video, we'll unlock more of the healing potential that resides within us all. Closing. In the spirit of this journey, let's embrace the belief that together, we can find healing, wholeness, and purpose. As we conclude this video, remember to subscribe to this channel. May you carry this message in your heart. Healing truly begins from within, and with faith and community, anything is possible. Thank you for being here today, and I look forward to joining you next time. Until then, keep believing in your healing. Subscribe for more episodes on faith, resilience, and holistic healing. Together, we can inspire transformation and uplift one another.